Give it up to the homies.
You're now listening to That's Gonna Find Out Next.
Yes, son. Hating on these niggas every day and night. It's not right. I gotta put up a fight. It's quite nicely done with a kung fu pun or a gun. Oh, I don't give a shit, son, you done. Why do I have to give up my run for this girlie in the back of the club? Give it up, son, give it up, son. I'm gonna fuck you up just for fun, son. To get to the girlie in the back of the club, put my dick in her cup, and I'm gonna stir it up. Yeah, that's the shit, the adequate, that's what. Boy, you're never gonna hit on a girly cunt. Might as well go back to the brass bar, get ducked and fucked in a guy in the car. Give it up for the girlie in the club with the mystery and that fucked up look. What's up, son? You wanna get it done? Yeah, step up to the plate and you wanna run. Who gives a fuck? Yeah, who wants your next one? Yeah, I don't want your number. Get the fuck out, son, before I knock you the fuck out. Yeah. What? Fucking MGZ. You ain't getting at this girl. I'll tell you what, she's my whole world. I'll give her my nuts. On a platter, yeah, daily. You know what? Yeah, this bitch is my hand. Twin to my joker, and you know I'm gonna poke her in the face. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, I got a parking space. Yeah, I fuck her in the back of my truck. What? You getting kinda stuck with my lyrical rhymes and miracle timing is right. I come up and I say it's not your night. So back up, or you're gonna get stuck. Or before I get you with a what? 9mm, I don't give a shit. A white beater, get the fuck out of my face before I put your ass in the ass with a what? Rita, yeah, don't give a fuck. You know I'm gonna see you again in the club. Mama, the only girl, what's up? I don't give a shit, yeah, I'm gonna give a thumbs up. You know that I bust the flow. That girl is gonna jump on my dick tonight, yo. Don't care where you going today, yo. You're gonna bust and run away because you're gay. So go back to the brass rail, yo. Get fucked by a guy that's in a car, do, yo. Never know where this girl is gonna be. In this track I never gonna ever gonna see. Cause this nigga in front of me is blocking my view. I'm gonna fucking stab you. So nigga move back really slow. I don't know what the fuck you think you're dealing with. I'm not a nigga that you know. I'm gonna slice you up really nicely with my knife, can't you see? Now you better back up nicely. What the fuck, nigga, now you're gonna get stuck in your nuts, so you won't even have a chance. Yeah, give up. Yeah, I'm gonna see the girlie in the back of the club, and you're gonna be in the back of my truck, all fucked up, yeah, sliced up. Yeah, shut the fuck up, nigga, I gave you a chance. Give up. Never know what the fuck I told you, yo. You better listen next time before you tell me I can't rhyme. Before one wants to get to that girlie on time, yeah, the girlie wants my nuts. You better never give up the truck. Yeah, you should have never trust. You big knuckles. Yeah, I got you with my knuckles. You got nothing but fucking someone up. Every time I'm in the club, I give it up. With nothing on the drink, and you know she wants me, yeah. Son, I told you. Now you're dead in the back of my truck. I told that fool, back the fuck up. You ain't getting to that girl in the back of the club. Woo woo with the juggalo. Don't even know where I go, but I know that girl is going on my dick tonight.